Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be reviewing Maybelline Baby Lips Candy Wow Lip Balms. Maybelline launched these shades in 6 different variants. I have 3 with me. These lip balms are really good and I really love the packaging. I really love the concept of packaging. Regular lip balms comes in different sort of the packaging, but Maybelline extended their range to in the lip balms, and they have come up with this sort of the packaging. I really love the concept of the packaging, and these lip balm retails for $275 for the 2 gram of the product. These lip balms comes in this sort of the packaging. There's a plastic wrapper going on and on the actual product, and there's also perforated seal going on, which you need to tear it out and then the product will come out. And on this plastic there's ingredients going on which are very tiny and I cannot read them because they are very tiny. And also there's a pricing and net weight going on, and this is the actual pricing. This is the actual product looks like. So I just open it for you guys, and these are lip balm I have already opened because I need to review, so I just took a time to review these lip balms because so how you open this, you just need to tear this plastic from here, and you just need to tear it like so. It will tear it like so, and then you just need to separate this plastic packaging, and you can see this is the all information that is going on this plastic. There's also shade name is going on. I have a 3 shade with me. One is raspberry, other one is peach, and then last is cherry. These lip balms packaging is really nice. This comes in retractable thingy going on. These packaging is really similar to chubby stick that are available in market. So this is really similar to that, and this comes in retractable pen sort of the packaging, that like you need to twist it up and the product will come out. And this is the product that you got for 275 rupees. And when you twist it down, then product will go down. And there's also a cap which you need to tighten it up, although it seems to be very loose, but when you put this pack so tight, then it won't come out easily. So this is the packaging, and shade name also written over here. So let's talk about one by one from the shade name. This is the raspberry shade. This shade is really nice. I really love this shade, although it's towards the sheer side, but I really love this texture and I really love this shade. This is the swatch of this shade. And then plastic color is also same the actual product is, although the pigmentation is little bit lesser than the packaging, but is almost the same. Then there is a cherry, which I didn't use it yet, but this shade is really awesome. Let me swatch it. These lip balms are really sheer, although they are better one from the previous range of Maybelline Baby Lips. This is the cherry, and then last is peach. This shade is least pigmented, although I love this shade because of this color, but is the least pigmented that is from this range. And this is the peach. The texture of these lip balms are really awesome than the other previous lip balms, because when I used to apply the regular lip balms on my lips more towards get chapped. That lip balms makes my lips more towards chapped lips, and my lips are like I have something sticky thingy going on. I feels like so. So but when I apply this these lip balms are really light on my lips, and they didn't make me feel like I have something on my lips, and it doesn't make my lips like I have something going on, and also doesn't make me feel like I have chapped lips. So that is the yay thing for this lip balms. And these lip balms last for 3 to 4 hours. After that they'll start fading, and the moisturizer still lasts for 6 to 7 hours once you apply it. And this is a very good thing about these lip balms. Texture is also really nice. Texture is really creamy, and it's really lightweighted and doesn't make your lips heavy. This is a very good thing. Packaging is not flimsy and all, it really sturdy, but once you dropped it you might get your product damaged. I dropped these lip balms, and when I dropped it, then the cap will come out and it ruined my lip balms. As you can see, this is the spot that is going on this lip balm. So you might be careful to carry your lip balms while traveling or while carrying your lip balms. So you have to careful, like you don't drop this product as well. These lip balms easily available to your nearest beauty store, or you can get these lip balms at Maybelline counter or online, Amazon, Flipkart, anything that you are prefer to get. I will also include lip swatch at the end of this video. For that you have to stay connected. I will swatch it on my lips, then you can see. First I have to remove this lipstick. So let's get started with the swatch. First I'm gonna swatch, it's in the shade Peach. So let me swatch it on my lips. This is the peach looks like on me. And this color is really good for those who doesn't have the pigmented lips, but if you have a pigmented lips, then it will not cover those lips. So it is a good for those people who doesn't have a pigmented lips. Although this color is really awesome, I really love this color. Then I'm gonna swatch raspberry. This is the raspberry looks on me. It is much more pigmented than the previous one, and it also looks all nice as well. It also covers a little bit, it also gives coverage to pigmented lips also, and it will suit to all skin types, and it also moisturizes your lips. Next I'm gonna swatch cherry. Pigmentation is also good for this shade as well, and this is also good, and it also covers pigmented lips as well. So overall review for these lip balms are these, like packaging is really nice. It's sturdy and good for traveling, but you need to careful to that this cap is that it also stay closed while you're traveling. And texture is really awesome. It doesn't make your feels heavy and chapped lips. It doesn't make your lips also heavy, and texture is also nice. It's a really lightweighted, and it lasts for a very long time. So this is pretty much about my review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any video request, then you can comment below. I would love to do that. And if you have any suggestion, and you can also follow me on all my social media. I will link all my social media down below. You can go and check that out. I will also link all my previous video down below. You can go and check that out as well. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.